Hi, that's Stefan from Extreme Distribution here on NAB2024, this very moment on the booth of Capella Systems. And together with Martin. Hi Martin.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing very well. I hope you're doing well too. Voice still works?
Voice is okay.
It's okay.
I'll be all right.
Good. Martin, tell me, what are the news that Capella Systems has brought here to the show? What are the new features and products?
Yes, so we still have our new Capella Stream product. So it's a live streaming product, but it's more geared towards 24/7 channels and like handling lots of channels, like that kind of workflow, like 24/7 workflow. Something that's interesting I want to point out is we now have a tagline called Design to Evolve. So we've been in business for about 15 years or so. And you know, our product started on Windows. It used to be a desktop product. Now we run in the cloud, a hybrid, on Linux, on Kubernetes and Docker. And I think it's something important to point out that our company, we've been able to kind of keep the pace of innovation and keep on top of new features, still able to like fix bugs easily, support customers easily. So that's something that we're just pointing out that's always been true, but now we're kind of hammering that message a little bit. And we also have new features on the FTC transcoding side, on the VOD side, where we use more of the AI. For example, we use Whisper to do speech-to-text recognition. It works in any language. You don't even have to tell it which language it is, and it's gonna listen to your audio and print out a bunch of text. We also have face recognition technology. It can help you, if you have long footage where maybe nothing's happening in some portions, it can help you figure out where to trim it, where the action is. And we have like much improved OCR. So we had OCR for a while, but now it's using the latest AI technology to really extract OCR, not only like lower thirds, but anything that's in the scene, we can extract that and make it metadata.
Would you say that is metadata creation for like more post-production or more for publishing, or for both?
It can be both. It can be also for archives. We have a customer that they have a large archive and they need to transcode it to a new format, but at the same time they want to extract all this metadata and then they can make it searchable. So if you're looking for Stefan from Xdream, you can just type that out, and if it's on the lower third somewhere, it's just going to show up and you're going to go straight there.
Cool. You said there is Stream, and I think it's still quite a new product. It's on the market since, what is it, a year or
about
1.5
year, yes.
Roughly, but you still develop on it, it grows and so on. What is Stream? Tell me more about it.
Well, it's designed a lot more to be fully automated workflows. We have a Linux version. It's basically like a Linux first product. All our other products came from Windows first. So this is designed to be used more like a Linux automated workflows, completely automated. We have redundancies for like input, output. You can stream to a backup and primary server, and all your channels are handled automatically. And we also run both on CPU and GPU, including a mixture of both. So for example, if your higher bit rates are high enough, you can use the GPU for that. It will still look fairly good. But sometimes your lower bit rate is quite aggressive, and then you may want to use the CPU just for that. So you kind of get the best of both worlds encoding-wise.
Is there automatism in, so that the transcoder automatically decides what goes to the GPU, what to the CPU, or is more the administrator's will?
Yeah, not currently. Currently it has to be done by, as you set up your channels. And you can also do things like, you know, if you have some channels that are more popular, you can decide to just use CPU for that and maybe lower the bit rate by a certain percentage. But this all has to be done by the operator.
I see. So Martin, tell me, what do you think are the current market trends? What do you hear from your customers, what they demand most?
Well, something that used to be a big trend, I think, was cloud only. But now I think people have figured out that, you know, on-premise and the cloud, hybrid, they all have different advantages. So for us, it's very important that it's the same engine we run like in all places. So if you start in the cloud and it turns out that requirements change, you need to be on-premise or hybrid, you know, you can change that easily for us, and you don't have to re-verify your output, the files you create or anything like that, since it's all from the same engine. So that I think is the key now, is to just run anywhere.
And you have customers that make use of that already? So especially this hybrid approach?
Yes, so I have customers that use hybrid. Hybrid is mostly for customers who have variable needs or variable throughputs. So maybe for like 4 days a week, they have very little to do, but then on Friday, they have this huge queue of jobs to transcode. So then you can supplement your on-premise transcoding with some cloud machines that just connect to your system.
Martin, have many thanks for your insights.
Thank you.
And now you should be interested in it. I at least hope for it. Please make your way to our website www.x-dream-distribution.com, search for the transcoding, make contact, and then let's get you onto a demo so that you can see all the new features and that you can get a trial from us as well. Many thanks for watching.